I'm still on VP, Sarah. Of course, we know that there are pending impeachment complaints in the House of Representatives, and if ever it goes up here for trial, you will be the judges, and of course, not just you personally, but all 24 or 23, kung makapasok, kung hindi makapasok ang ilan, will be serving as judges. So, and iba sa inyo might be her potential rivals in 2028. So how will you address yung possibility or yung at least the optics na you are judging a potential opponent and your decision could be interpreted as not being based on the merits of the case, but on the possibility of taking out a potential competitor in 2028?
More than any optics, malinaw sa amin dito sa Senado na kung may umabot sa aming impeachment complaints, kami magiging senator judges at magdidesisyon kami at boboto dun sa issue batay sa mga ebidensyang dun pa lang na ipepresenta sa amin. Like most everything that comes before the Senate, usapin yan ng demand for accountability ng ating mga kababayan na answerable lahat kami na nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno, including yung highest officials natin dahil sila yung possible subject ng impeachment complaint. So ako, ngayon pa lang, hinahanda ko ang sarili ko sa posibilidad na may umabot na impeachment complaints dito. If and when that happens, magsisilbi ako bilang senator judge at klaro sa akin yung tungkulin sa akin doon.